If you're on the hunt for the ultimate ice cream experience right at home, the Ninja Swirl by CREAMi is a game changer. From its sleek, modern design to its smart, family-friendly features, this 13-in-1 ice cream and soft serve maker is truly in a league of its own. Whether you're a fan of rich, creamy ice cream, fruity sorbets, indulgent frozen custards, or light, protein-packed treats, this machine has you covered. One of the biggest highlights of the Ninja Swirl is its versatility. It doesn't just stop at classic ice cream. It comes packed with 13 one-touch programs, including soft serve, frozen yogurt, milkshake, fruit whip, frozen custard, and even a special CreamiFit program designed for lower-calorie, high-protein creations. This makes it an excellent option for anyone following keto, vegan, dairy-free, or low-sugar diets. With this machine, you're not stuck with store-bought limitations. You have full control over the ingredients, flavor, and texture. Now, let's talk about the CreamiFit program, a standout feature that sets this appliance apart from others in its class. This intelligent setting is perfect for those looking for a healthier frozen treat. It delivers a single-spin solution to create a pint that is smooth, creamy, and guilt-free without sacrificing flavor. It's ideal for post-workout recovery snacks or late-night indulgences that don't derail your goals. The Ninja Swirl also nails it when it comes to soft serve. If you've ever wanted to recreate that perfect ice cream shop swirl at home, this machine makes it easier than ever. It includes a soft serve handle with 3 speed settings, allowing you to control how the frozen treat is dispensed into your cone or cup. Whether you're serving kids or treating yourself, the swirl mechanism adds a fun, interactive twist to dessert time. Another great feature is the mix-ins option. You can mix in your favorite ingredients like chocolate chips, candy pieces, fruit chunks, nuts, or even cookie dough. The Creamerizer Paddle ensures everything is blended smoothly, giving you a rich, indulgent texture that rivals your favorite dessert shop. Cleaning up is also a breeze. All the removable parts, the Swirl Pints, lids, paddle, and swirl press, are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, saving you time and hassle after the fun is over. This makes it especially practical for families, where convenience is key. Speaking of families, this machine is truly kid-friendly and fun for all ages. The included 2 16-ounce Swirl Pints make it easy for everyone to create their own customized treat. The intuitive digital display and automatic shutoff add safety and simplicity, even for younger users under supervision. Plus, the unit includes a pull-out drip tray, keeping your countertop clean during all the swirling action. With a stainless steel and plastic build, the Ninja Swirl looks great in any kitchen and is compact enough not to take up excessive space. It also comes with 30-plus handcrafted recipes to help you get started. From indulgent chocolate soft serves to tropical fruit whips and protein-packed power pints, there's something for every craving and every dietary need. To wrap it up, the Ninja Swirl by CREAMi NC701 is more than just an ice cream maker. It's an all-in-one frozen dessert station that delivers customization, quality, and convenience in one sleek package. Whether you're creating health-conscious frozen treats or hosting a fun family dessert night, this machine is ready to make it memorable. For anyone looking to bring the magic of the ice cream parlor home, with less sugar, more flavor, and a whole lot of fun, the Ninja Swirl is absolutely worth the investment.